Today we're going to be unboxing the KEUTEK power bank, going through some of its contents and how to set up things like the lanyard. When you go into the contents of the box, you're going to see that there's a user manual, Type-C recharging cable, and the lanyard. The lanyard is going to come pre-connected. We open this up, the shiny end is going to be the Velcro, and then this more dull end would be the receiving end. At the top of the device, there's a loophole for the lanyard. You're going to notice that this hole is pretty small. Reason being, we wanted to make this as durable as possible and be able to withstand maximum pull force. So the bigger that this hole is, the more fragile this becomes. So there is a trick to running the lanyard through this hole, and I'm going to walk you through that. I found the easiest way to do this is to actually grab a piece of paper and kind of feed this through, like so. Then I'm going to grab the lanyard, and so shiny end, Velcro facing down. I'm just kind of put this right here, and I'll begin to pull, like so. And there you go. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team at support@keutek.com. Thank you.